Hey, hello, hi, how are you today? Good, I hope. In this little short video here, I'm going to be showing you one of my other creations it's in the WK product line. This one here, I'm going to show you I'll show you the assembled version. It's quite unique. It's called WK4, Wearable Keyring 4. Now I'll show you, I'll get this off here. What it is, actually, when you think about it, it's a six-piece keyring, a double keyring here, clip keyring, with a screw-fit carabiner, plus a black plastic tactical carabiner, or clip, plastic tactical clip, you can call it, as well. And here is another carabiner. It's a sort of clip device as well. And of course which is attached to another clip keyring. This other addition at the bottom here makes it 6-part keyring. Now this part here, it's called an screw bolt, eye bolt neodymium magnet. Sorry about that. I'll show you. It's a very strong magnet. Now the reason why I put this on here, it helps so that I don't have to keep opening this part. If I leave it assembled, if I leave this pot neodymium pot magnet on here, on the clip keyring, I don't have to keep taking it off. So I don't have to. So basically what will happen is that this keyring here at the bottom will last a long time. The one at the top I have to keep opening, of course, to put onto the jeans. I'll show you how I use that. So this part will be in use, but this part here won't really be in use if we leave it all assembled. And I'll show you how convenient it is and cool. Watch this. See, most key rings have a metal sort of ring attachment, so that you know that it's going to stick to the it should stick to the neodymium magnet here. So here you go. Yes, it's pretty long, but I'll show you. I'll grab a pair of my jeans here. It works best on jeans because I think the material is stronger, so it works better on jeans. It has a cool, urban, edgy look, industrial sort of look to it. So I put it onto the jeans like that, put it into the pocket like this. There you go. Oops, sorry, I didn't straighten it out here a bit. This could also be popular for security professionals as well, and also for regular people. But as I mentioned, it works better on jeans because I think it's the way the jeans are made. They're harder wearing. It works better. I think I haven't tried it on regular pants, but regular trousers. But I might try that on there. But I usually prefer to wear jeans anyway. So. But if you wear it out, I wouldn't suggest wearing it the long way because it's too long to be, we're walking around and be dangling too much. But put them back into the pocket here, like this. It looks pretty cool. So it's unique. Haven't seen any keyring out there, any product out there like this on the market as of yet. Well, I hope you like the little video I've shown you here. Sorry, a bit nervous here because usually I prefer to do these videos impromptu sort of thing. I don't really like to prepare too much. I just prefer to do it natural, go through it and show you. Hopefully you like the product there, and hope to see you soon. Bye. Have a good day.